Okay, so the plan for today is hurry and buzz this baby down a little bit. I just sharpened the blades on my mower. I don't want to bring my cylinder reel mower out here yet because the sand will just destroy the sharpness of my blade. I did man up and grow a pair. Bought one of these Sure Cans because I was getting flack from everybody, and I made a deal with one of the subscribers in the comment section on the video to the update of the sand, and I haven't used it yet, but I just filled up the gas, so I'm going to do a quick mow, and then I want to put down some urea at about a ½ pound of nitrogen per 1,000. Let's hurry and get this mow on, and so I can get to the nitrogen. So I've got the mower down on its lowest setting. I'm gonna buzz around the outside for a minute and then kind of go from there. Kind of looking at my dahlias to see if I've got any more new varieties coming up or blooming. So look at this little ball puff variety right here. Orange little thing, perfectly symmetrical, round, beautiful little flower. Okay guys, so I've just enjoyed the mow. Got this mowed down really quickly. My spreader is not working. If you can see, this is supposed to be driving the impeller right here, but nothing is happening. So I'm gonna take this cover off right here and see what's going on. Now, I'm gonna see what's inside there. Open up. Oh, look at that. So that right there is the problem, I think. Looks like there's supposed to be a pin through this impeller shaft into there like that. Oh, you little sucker. That's a pisser offer. So it's not twisting because of that. There should be a pin there. So I really like using this little piece of tie wire and sticking it in this hole. So I'm hoping this will work at least for the interim. I got this piece of tie wire, rebar tie wire through the hole there, and this is gonna go like that. It's gonna spin like that. Sure hope this will work. So now it's time to put this back together. So the fertilizer calculator says I need 8.2 pounds for the 7,500 square feet. If I fill this cup all the way full, it's like 14 ounces. If I do a heaping pile of this fertilizer, it's about 1 pound. Okay. This is pretty well 1 pound, so I need to do 8 of these because it says I need to do 8 pounds for this given area. So I do not want to spill this on the grass. This is some strong fertilizer. You don't have to use very much. So I'm just going to put 8 pounds of this in here. So 1, 2, 8. This is actually quite simple. I have almost 8,000 square feet, and I'm putting down 8 pounds of fertilizer. So for every 1,000 feet, I'm just gonna do one of these cupfuls. But look how much fertilizer is in here. This is not that much fertilizer to cover over this section, so I don't know. I'm going to try my luck at that and see what happens. So, okay guys, so I've got my 8 pounds of fertilizer in here. The goal is to just spread it over this front section. That's gonna be difficult to do because there's just not that much fertilizer in there. So I'm going to put this dial down to a really low light setting. It's at a 6. There's 30 settings, so I'm just gonna go really light. So that is not actually opening the hopper at all. So I've got to turn it up a little bit, put it to like a 10. See how that goes. So there again, it's not doing anything. So I've got to keep dialing this thing up a little bit. Put Put it at maybe like a 14. See how that works. Okay guys, so that's just straight up ridiculous. It's like barely even coming out, and I can't get it to come out any faster, so I don't like that at all. I've never spread fertilizer this light before, but it's the first time for everything. I don't want to overdo it. Hey, so look at that. I'm actually following a rule. So it's working out pretty good actually. I'm about halfway through the yard and I've spread about half of the product. So if you can see down in there, spread about 4 pounds. And I'm about halfway through the yard, so that's pretty good. So spreading fertilizer is really easy to do. Like I've said in the past, if you're at all worried about the fertilizer and kind of the pounds on the ground and worried about how much nitrogen you're putting down or not putting down, really simple way and foolproof way to get it right is just do a really light dose like I'm doing. I'm putting down half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000 feet. You can use this calculator that I will leave in the description to tell you exactly how much to put in your spreader. It's easy, so there's no reason to be scared or worried about how to do this, but just go for it. I was right in the middle of spreading my urea, and the cheap fix that I did for the impeller broke. So I didn't have a lot of faith that it was going to last that long anyways, but it broke. So now I need to decide, do I buy a new spreader or do I try to fix this one? So it's pretty annoying that I cannot finish the job. I can put down my liquid humic, but I'm not going to do that because the sun's starting to go down, losing daylight every day, and it's really annoying. I hate this time of year when we lose the daylight so quickly. So tomorrow I'm going to try to fix this again, look into fixing it for good, get the right parts. So I really want this lawn fertilized well because it's kind of stressed out right now because I put a lot of sand on it. It needs to start growing gangbusters so it can grow right through the sand. So that was the idea behind putting their urea down. It's a quick release nitrogen, go really quick and fast. But my spreader kind of broke on me, and that was a real pain to fix that, so I do not want to do that again. Pretty well done for tonight. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button there. So thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.